Yeah, I think that uh, customer loyalty, I think, comes from two things that are at the core of human-centered design, right? The
Mhm.
first is trust, a deep trust between the customer and ourselves that are providing the
Mhm.
product or solution. And that trust is built at the beginning of product design. Um, I like to kind of say, active listening is such an underrated skill,
Mhm.
but it's something that we can hone. And in the intelligence community, we often heard it said that you don't ask people for information, make them feel heard, and they'll insist on confiding with you their secrets.
Mhm.
So it's about building relationships, right? It's about making the customer feel heard. And if we really take that holistic approach and we really focus on listening and being present with the customer, we build their trust, right? Another thing you often hear is nothing of importance is built in the office. Get out of the office, be with your customers, eat with your customers, make them feel like you are there for them and you will go out of your way to make them successful. I have much more confidence in buying a product from a partner like that than an outside competitor that maybe has a better product or has more experience in my industry, but I don't know them. I think that goes a long way. And I think the second piece to that is customer success. And what I'll encourage our listeners is, if your innovation is your first product, customer success product is your second product. Like, instead of thinking about, okay, I have this product in the market, how do I invest resources, time, and money into making that product better? Take a pause. You have a product, you have your first customers. Your second product is customer success, because those first customers are your most important customers. And so if the customer feels like not only are you invested in their best interest and you have a relationship with them, but that you're also investing in making sure that how they use that product is fully optimized, I think that will go a long way in maintaining a competitive advantage.